Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ. This video is about how to write simple formula in Power BI desktop and how to get result. For connection, simply click on get data. Select the file and open. Once the data is displayed, simply load it. This is reporting view. This is table view. Just click on table. You can able to change the format also here. Just click on table tools. For only one field, to get only one sum or average, just click on new measure, average price, average, table name is data, then it should be mentioned with column name, header, price. Simply enter. Go back to report view, price. We can able to view as table. So the same way we can able to create max also. Again you go back to table tools, click new to get maximum, put max, bracket open, then data, that is table name, price, enter. Again go back to, so we can able to create new column also and it will be displaying in table total. Total should be table name, price, multiply with quantity. We can get total also. Here we can able to use conditional if also. Create one more column. Want to see only Bangalore sales. If mention only city, it should be Bangalore. Comma, simply refer total. Like that we can able to construct formula with multiple criteria also. We will see next video. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you. If you like this video, please share it, comment it, please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.